right, here we go. 2-minute pose. Let me see what I can give you in 2 minutes. Let me share with you some ideas. To me, drawing is describing three-dimensional objects on a two-dimensional surface and make them look 3D. There's also another thing you need to be aware of: design. Notice that I'm sketching light and soft. I'm planning where I'm going to place my objects. Again, objects. There are parts of the body. Each part is a specific object. And we can simplify those with cylinders and boxes and spheres and so on. But we don't have time for that now. So in a 2-minute pose, I'm gonna go for simple shapes. And those shapes are designed in order to look like the different parts of the body. For example, here's the hand. I'm not focusing on individual fingers. I'm getting a general shape in there. Same thing with the body, with the torso. I'm using arcs to show direction of volumes. Anatomy? Well, not much of anatomy. I'm here and adding a knee, but just to project that leg forward. Here I'm start with the clothing, but I'm just finding shapes and make one bigger than the other. Here I'm dropping those things. Look how I'm placing the line confident. I just put the belly button there. That's all the anatomy I'm using here. And notice that I'm not copying the photo. I'm kind of explaining what I see in the photo. I'm explaining what I see in the pose. When you're starting, this is not an exercise you should focus on. The reason is it requires you to be aware of many things at the same time. This can frustrate you pretty fast. Get your drawing skills under your belt and don't be a slave to the photo. And remember, this is a game you like to play, so enjoy the process. I hope you found some interesting ideas.
Welcome to New Masters Academy, the best place to get art education online. Receive expert critiques on your projects from world-renowned artists, helping you improve faster than ever. Embark on your creative journey today at nma.art.